Okay, so for this scramble, I see this blue, but the other two blue are here and here. So if you put this blue down, that blue is not a good case. I also see I see this white bar. You see that this white and this white, well, when you put them together, that it's going to complete the layer. So I'll do white on bottom. So you put this on bottom and you do U prime L. This is done. And then you just do the rest. For this, you can see this green. You have a bar here, and you have this green here, and a green here. So for this I would do R prime U, R prime U prime R. So that would be done. For this case, since there's no bars, I would just try and see which faces have the most colors that are the same. So that's going to be either orange or red. And for the orange, I see that this, you could do an L, U prime L insert, and then you have to do basically the same for the other. So you insert that, and then the other orange is here, so you insert that one. That's not a good solution. For that layer. So for this, you see this bar and that bar, and if you do a U prime R2, the layer would be done. So that layer's done, and then you solve the rest. Failing definition right now. So for this scramble, I see the orange. No, I would do the blue for this one. So you have a bar here, and that blue would be usually just an R2 to put that blue down here. But you also have this blue. So if you do an R U prime R, the blue face would be done. So this blue is here and that blue is over here. So I did LU2 L to finish that layer. So for this scramble, I would do white. So yeah, I would do white. This bar is here. That if you just do an R prime, you would solve this and then you solve this. So R prime and then Y, U prime, R U, R prime. For the scramble, I would do yellow. So that bar is there. You have that yellow and that yellow. I would just solve this one and then solve that. So R prime, U2, RU, R prime. For this scramble, I would do orange. So you have these two oranges already done. And then you have this orange and this orange. So you just do R prime U, R prime. So, to finish that layer. For this I would do red. So you have that red bar, and then you have a red here and here. So you can see that you just put this red and that red together, and then you would finish the first layer. So U2L would be your layer. For this, there aren't really good cases for this, but you have two faces with 3 colors done. So I would just pick one to solve. So I'll just pick the yellow. So these 3 are done, and the other yellow is here. So U2, RU2, R prime, U prime, RU, R prime, and then do the rest. For this scramble, I would do white. So this is already done, and you have that white and that white, so you just do a U prime, R prime to finish the first layer. So for this, the only one where you have a bar is the white, so I'll just do the white. And so you have that bar, and then you have this white and this white, so I'll just solve this one and then solve this. So R, U2, RU, R prime.